Hi, so I just wanted to give a background on what's happening prior to this because I have been smelling gas fumes, especially in the rear of the car. And I also have, I think, three experiences where I have just filled up my tank and drove to an incline, and petrol is leaking out of the filler neck. The fuel filler neck going into the wheel well and into the suspension. I have actually driven into the um, Suzuki casa for them to check. They actually saw fuel pouring out of the filler neck, but yeah, they didn't really investigate it properly. They just waited for it to die on its own, and then yeah, since I was also traveling at that time, I had to go, and I actually just forgot about it. But then again, it happened a few days ago, and I had some spare time this weekend, so I had a go and investigated it. And yeah, in this diagram, actually, you can see where the pillar neck is. This is the number 7, and I just removed the bolts. This one at D, letter D, and this one at letter C. I was, yeah, I was planning to take it off, everything out, but realized the when if I remove it, fuel will spill out because the level of this pipe is not really at the top of the tank, but at the middle. So yeah, yeah, I hope this helps someone. Thanks.
Okay, so hinahanap rin kung saan naglilik sa fuel neck. Nilinis ko na yung fuel neck. Makita mo yung mark ito. Ayan. Yun yung mark kung saan naglilik yung gas. Hanggang sa actually suspension, no? Parang basa-basa sa gas. So may naglilik. So tinutunto natin kung saan ang leak para matatakalan. So ito yung fuel neck. Part number. Hanapin natin kung saan ang leak. Parang supposedly dito sa area na to may leak eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung may makita akong butas. Parang wala akong makitang butas. Ang hinala ko rin dito sa gap na to. Talagang wala akong makita na maayos na butas eh. Mahirap i-check ng hindi mabaklas. Hindi ko mabaklas dahil full tank pala. Ang butas ay nasa number 1. Yun. Lusot yung tool ko dito. Kita nyo ba? Yun.